So we all know the hype around meme coins when a new chain starts pumping. First we had Solana chains pumping like crazy. Then we had the new base chain absolutely going crazy as well. And now we have a new era of meme coins. We have now the TRON chain, which the original creator of the TRON chain launched a new website called sunpump.meme, which is also just another alternative to pump.fun, but instead on the TRON chain, which is absolutely gaining huge amounts of hype right now. We're going to be talking about what's new in this chain, how you could buy and get on the next huge meme coin. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this new concept, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So this right here is sunpump.meme. Just you may notice it looks similar to pump.fun. So let's just look up pump.fun here just very quickly. So very similar concept here. New meme coins you could pay to create your own meme coin, and if it reaches a certain market cap, it will officially get listed on exchanges. And if we look here, we have similar concept here. Meme coins looking to get more market cap so they could start getting listed on exchanges. If we look at the progress here, you obviously need around 78,000 75,000 around there to get listed on exchanges, and you could create your own meme coin right here. You could head over to launch, and no pre-sale, no team allocation, low gas. You could enter your token information here, connect wallet, pay, and officially launch your coin from their website itself on the TRON chain. So the TRON chain is really getting hype right now. If we head over to coinmarketcap.com, we could see TRON in the past week is up 20%, and most of the TRON coins, if we look at one of the biggest coins that we have in the TRON chain recently, which was also launched on Sunpump, is Sundog. So if we click on this, we could see on the TRON chain, TRON 20 right here, market cap 221 million. Absolutely crazy market cap already, just by recently launching around 3 to 5 days ago. Again, this is very early on. Sunpump was just recently launched on August 13th, so just about a week ago this was launched, and it has already gained huge hype. $221 million in the biggest Sunpump meme coin we have right here, officially listed on CoinMarketCap as well. If you do want to check out the new listed coins already listed, if you don't want to go super early, this is very high risk. Again, do it at your own risk. Obviously, do your own research before getting into any of these coins. But if you do want to take a little less risk, you could check out the ones that already reached the market cap. You could click this button right here listed on Sunswap. So let's talk about Sunswap as well. Sunswap is just like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, where you could trade any of these new TRON chain meme coins. So you could go to Sunswap. So let's just head there real quick. So here we are on Sunswap. So this is where you could swap your tokens from TRX to any token you want from the sunpump.meme. So we can see already listed, these coins are already listed on Sunswap, so you could go ahead and swap these coins right now. Already reach their market cap threshold, so these are already doing very big. If you want a simpler interface, in my opinion, you could head over to Dex Tools, and if you want to check out these coins already listed, you could head over to here to Pair Explorer, click Ethereum, and we could see new TRON meme coins already showing on Dex Tools as well. Once you click on this, you could go to the Dex board now. TRON, you could see the top TRON meme coins daily gainers 7,000%, absolutely crazy, called Sunburn, Rock, Fred. We are seeing absolutely crazy meme coins. Again, the biggest meme coin being Sundog as of right now, and we have the Rock, Suncat, Fofar. A ton of these meme coins are gaining a hype, absolutely crazy. And this is very early, again launched very recently. If we look at how when these were created, 6 days ago, 5 days ago, 3 days ago, and even even a couple hours, we could see. So very early on, just like we caught the base chain blowing up very early, you could get your chance right now. And if you do want to trade any of these meme coins, again, you could do it from Sunswap, sunpump already. You could, if you, let's say for example, you want to buy this coin, you could connect your wallet. Again, you will need a different wallet for this. You need a TRON wallet, which is called TRON Link. So you could check this out also as well. But if you want Telegram bot, we could see we have this new bot called NFD trade bot. So this is another TRX bot, just like we have some Solana bots that you could snipe also here. You could do that on here as well. Just enter the contact address of the token and you could purchase it directly from here. Just click your buy order and it will go through. So if you do want to sign up for this bot, this Telegram bot, do make sure to check out the link down in the description and also start trading today. So you could choose which one you want, a Telegram bot or TRON Link. So you could choose any of those and connect your wallet, buy it from here, or again, you could head to Sunswap here directly and buy your tokens from here. You also have to connect wallet, obviously here TRON Link as well. So you do need a TRON wallet for this. So crazy new emerging opportunities here. We could see very low market cap coins, just like the Pumpfun hype we recently saw. This is the new Pumpfun, sunpump.meme. So do make sure to check it out. Absolutely crazy early opportunity we have here. You could do easy 10, 100, even 500x on this coin easily. So do make sure to check it out. And gaining huge hype recently, we could see absolutely crazy coins. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about the new TRON chain pumping, new TRON meme coins in the market right now from sunpump.meme. So absolutely crazy early opportunity you could get to right now. If you do want to trade these meme coins, do make sure to check out the Telegram bot down in the description and you could sign up and start trading these bots directly from there. So do make sure to check it out. If you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about these meme coins, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next one.